They will also be in the description box. First, peel the skin off the sausages. Roll out the sausages onto a floured surface. Cut the block of pastry into quarters. Roll out the pastry so that it fits the length of the sausages. Place a sausage near the top of the sheet of pastry. Brush some egg underneath the sausage and fold the pastry over the top. Then, using a fork, press down to seal the pastry. Using a knife, cut off the excess pastry. Slice along the top of the sausage roll. And then cut it into bite-sized pieces. Repeat until you have used up all the sausages and pastry. Place them onto a baking tray and coat with more egg. Bake for 15 minutes at 200 degrees until golden brown. This is the final product. Enjoy baking!